At NIA, we design and build high-quality, handcrafted body kits right here in Miami, Florida. From sketches to screen, our founder Kevin works closely with our CAD designers to shape every detail by hand. Each piece is specifically designed for each model, thermoform for durability, and CNC cut to perfection. Our kits are made to bolt on in minutes, with an exclusive reinforcement that guarantees durability and toughness. Every piece is hand-finished and available in primer, gloss black, color-matched options, and real carbon fiber. Before shipping, we paint-correct each kit to ensure a flawless finish. Plus, our customer service team works alongside our engineers and designers to give you the best experience possible. Our kits are also guaranteed to ship out within weeks, not months. If you're looking for a premium, American-made body kit built with precision, NIA has you covered. Check us out at niaautodesign.com.